Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how do you remove payment method from Amazon. So firstly, go to Amazon, log into your account. So once you've already logged into your account, what you're going to do is on your top right here, you have your name here. So underneath your name, you have your account option. So click on your account. So once you hit on your account and you'll have your payments option here. So this is where we manage our payments. So hit on your payments and then here select the method that you want to remove. For example, I want to remove my credit card here. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to hit on it, select it, and then you'll have the edit option there. So click on edit option and then you'll have an option called remove here. So that's remove from wallet. So you have that option there. So hit on remove from wallet and then you just have to click on save and that will remove your card from your wallet. And also whether it's a card or if you have any other payment methods, you follow the same process, and that's how pretty much it is how you remove it. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I will see you guys in another video. Thank you.